drapery, which seems a little heavier than other bits of the painting, and that's because it was added a little bit later, possibly by Vermeer himself, but probably by someone else.
Now let's take it in the context of this exhibition as a kind of endpoint, because it is consistent, and yet in another way it's different. I mean, this idea about honing in, more intimate, I suppose.
Right. It's very different because it's so small and so intimate and so simple. In the other paintings, there are accessories. We have more of a sense of an interior space. There are paintings on the wall, perhaps a window off to the side. We can see the floor. Here, the painting focuses just on the woman seated in front of her virginal. There's nothing else to distract from that image.
Apart from the reflection of her arms, exquisitely rendered, for instance, in the instrument, and light, the way that light plays across the surface.
Yeah.
And one of the things that keeps being reiterated here, although it's music we're focusing on, is that he's the great painter of light in Western art, isn't he?
Absolutely. It's so subtle and so beautiful. Not just the reflections that you mentioned and the glimmers along the edge of the music stand, but just that glow that washes over the wall in the background and really animates it. I think in the hands of almost any other painter, that would just be a flat white expanse. But Vermeer is such a master of those subtleties and those gradations of tone in the background that you have no sense of it being a dead space. It's really lively and just embraces the figure in the instrument.
Broadly speaking then, I mean, you've taken a familiar subject of Vermeer's painting, but there's never been an exhibition and there's never been a detailed and deep analysis of music in Vermeer and also in the broader context of Dutch art. Does it suggest a new way of looking at an artist, or is that impossible now? You know, there are only 36 acknowledged Vermeers now in the world. Many art historians have scrutinised them. Can we see him in a different way? Can we hear him in a different way?
I hope so, and I hope that by bringing music together with the paintings, you start to think about them not purely in a visual way, but sort of immerse all of your senses into the painting and just experience them rather than just seeing them as paintings on a wall. Try and really drink them in and become a part of them.
And that idea of silence that you mentioned at the very beginning of this film, that's there in this picture, isn't it, in particular?
It is, and I hope that that communicates itself to people in the course of experiencing this exhibition, because I think Vermeer's paintings are so much about silence, and when we look at paintings with a musical theme, it's about music, it's about sound, but it's also about the silence that's embraced within that sound.